All right, we're here with Jan today in Westfield, Massachusetts. This is 15 Massey Street. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this, as you know, is your local look. All right, Jan, tell me about this place. What do we got?
Brad, it is an awesome, immaculate 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 2 separate laundry locations, which really excites me.
Okay, well, I love it. Let's go do the laundry. Let's take a look inside. All right, this is great. We walk in here to the living room.
Yeah, I love the gas fireplace and this beautiful wainscoting.
Yeah, the finishes on this house are just fantastic. And then we have the eat-in kitchen area. We have a half bath down here with the laundry, this really good pantry.
And attached here is the 2-car garage.
All right, let's head on upstairs.
Right at the top of the stairs is our first full bathroom. Don't forget about the other laundry facility on the 2nd floor.
Great, and then around the corner we have the primary bedroom here.
With an amazing walk-in closet and another large bathroom.
And as we leave the primary bedroom, we're going over to the other 3 bedrooms here.
As a bonus feature, Brad, we have a finished basement, complete with utilities tucked away and out of sight.
Jan, thanks so much for showing us around. This is a great place. Get out here, hit Jan up for a private showing. You want to get pre-approved? Our numbers are on the screen. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. We'll see you next time, Westfield.